AI will be more human-centric moving forward than just a tool to do a specific function.
We are live from Tech Talk at Logicom right here at GITEX 2025. And I'm joined here by the CTO, Regional Enterprise Architect for HPE, Mr. Saleh Al-Nemer. Welcome, Saleh.
Welcome. Thank you so much.
How are you today?
I'm great. Thank you so much.
Yes?
Thank you for hosting me at Logicom
We're
this
super happy
afternoon.
to have you here with us.
Thanks so much.
Yes, so of course we're at GITEX. A lot is going on. Major theme is AI, of course.
Of course.
And yes, everything is moving at such a rapid pace in our industry. But I wanted to ask you specifically that when you're looking at innovation through the lens of AI, we're reimagining how people work in various industries. How is AI reshaping it for you?
Amazing question. Honestly, it's when you look at the vibe around GITEX and how we see all these kind of intuitive ideas of how AI can help us. I believe AI will be no longer just a capability. What AI will be basically, it will be an engine that transforms the way that we do things. If you think about doctors, hospitals, manufacturing facilities, all these elements, almost every sector will benefit from AI and genuinely how AI can help driving that ecosystem. Now, the collaboration that AI creates with agentic systems across doing whether a routine task or thinking, let's say, helping us taking a decision is something we didn't have before since maybe 50 years. And now it's live today in the, let's say, in the palm of your hand, you get answers for questions you never thought about before. Summarizing documents that have hundreds of pages and then talk to these documents without the hustle of reading them. It's changing the game.
Right.
Education sector becoming a lot of change. Kids, they become now access to tools that we never had to think about at that time. So AI is changing the way that we live. And I believe AI will be more human-centric moving forward than just a tool to do a specific function.
And how has it transformed your journey at HPE?
So in HPE, we believe that AI it's focused on how people, they need to benefit from it. So our slogan at the company is live or enable people to live and work, or accelerate the way that people live and work. And that innovation across with AI in so many sectors. As example, in HPE, we focus on how we make the AI journey simple. AI is not just tools or the machines or the components of it, is how we make sure that the users of utilizing and benefiting AI is getting some more simplified experience, more intuitive experience, how we can use AI for AI itself.
Okay.
So as example, with HPE, we focus on the AI journey, or something called AI Factory, which is inherited from us as HPE, where we're leading the HPC high performance computing platforms. For the past 50 years, we're leading this business. Today, out of 500 supercomputers, 8 of them are built by HPE. So that experience, that heritage is actually showing what we can do with it. So what we did, we took that experience and we packaged it under something we call the AI Factory theme, which is a full stack of modular solutions, modular components from compute, storage, network capability, and enabled to help us with an entire AI lifecycle management within the same platform. Make it easy and simple for our users or beneficiary to utilize the platform. But also, we focused about diversity. We don't want to lock in our clients. We want them to make sure they can use their tools, they can use different, let's say, ways of developing their ecosystems, but giving them that kind of extra leap to enable them and do more. And also, we focus into the partnership and the ecosystem management. So something like what we do with Logicom, of enabling that in the background is critical for us. And then how we can roll out AI to give us a much better experience across having things like AMD, NVIDIA, and other of these GPU providers to provide an exascale experience and exascale solutions with AI. So you can do hundreds of thousands of algorithms per second. But it's not only the algorithms. It's how can I enable that to help customers in different fields, from healthcare, education, government, and so on.
So how can customers best prepare? How can your partners best prepare to ride that wave?
So we also try to make that simple for them. So in HPE, we try to make AI in 2 different flavors or 3 different flavors.
Flavors.
Yeah.
I like
So
that.
something what we call the sovereign AI, so something that governments can use with prepackaged ecosystem that the customers can utilize. Other one is can be for the public, private cloud provider, service provider, they can use that services.
Okay.
And the third one is for customers who want to run, let's say, hit and go kind of platform. So we engineer something we call private cloud for AI. That's let's say what we call it pre-engineered with NVIDIA, where we have out of the box plug and play kind of AI solution, which it will take around 10 to 15 days to power it up and then use the cloud AI. That by itself saves a lot of hassle from our clients to utilize the AI and have a benefit from AI engine and the platform. On the other hand, we use AI for AI. So today we are doing something with the Green Lake, we call the Green Lake Intelligence.
Yes.
So we use agentic AIs to operate and manage your data center. So no need for a human intervention in the platform. You can talk to the system, simplified, and also you can chat with your environment. You can say, what is my resources looking today for my new applications? And the platform will go to the Green Lake environment, surf it and say, you have these kind of resources. This is what you can do with it. Do you want me to optimize more? Is there any metrics you want me to follow? Is there any guidelines I need to reshape your IT resources or IT machines to comply with these guidelines, whether from networking, from security, from storage, all that stuff. All that done by machine, by agents.
Unreal. Fantastic. Well, definitely then the need for a solid and robust partnership with partners such as Logicom is critical. But from your perspective, what would be one piece of advice or inspiration that you'd like to give partners when they're stepping into this very much AI-driven future of work?
So, example with Logicom, we are partnering to build some sort of a regional capacity for AI, which means I cannot do all myself as HPE.
Yes, of course.
Logicom cannot do all by Logicom. So we need to have some sort of a synergetic partnership across both of us. How we can intelligently hybrid ecosystem, whether using the right machine, the right resources, but also the right capability and manpower and experience to deliver what we can provide our clients in the best shape or form of resources.
So what does that look like, this hybrid mode?
So as HPE, we are master in providing the resources, the infrastructure, and the experience on mapping that AI capability as technology.
Yes.
As Logicom, we partner them with the customer SME kind of, let's say, subject matter expert on their customers' profiles from service providers or healthcare. They know their customers better.
Yes.
We can shape that experience together and provide them with a solution that end-to-end cover the whole life cycle and story for the customers.
Okay, that's very collaborative and applies as well for hybrid work scenarios.
Correct.
So we know that HP acquired Juniper. How does that change or impact your journey?
Amazing question. So when you look at AI is consuming a lot of resources.
Yes.
And especially in communication, nodes, they have to talk to each other. But also when you look at it, we have two different angles. So if you look at the AI factory, you will have a lot of connectivity requirement between the nodes, the storage systems, all that stuff. But also the people outside who are utilizing the solutions, they need also network capability that agile with this kind of demand, whether they are sensors on the roads with cars or on the streets or hospital operation rooms that they need to grab the information and process them on the fly with the AI capability. So HPE, when acquired Juniper, we focused in our HPE networking in three elements. How we can have an AI for networking. So what is the Juniper Mist AI as example, or the HPE AI capability for networking, where the platform can agile and adjust itself based on the requirement for the quality of service or the SLAs that we need for that use case. And also, when we look at networking for AI, we provided the largest capacity possible for bandwidth perspective between the nodes. So we are the only one who can provide 800G network between AI nodes from an Ethernet protocol capability.
Wow.
And that's something unique with us with HPE and Juniper.
That is
so
mega.
HPE networking, what we call it today, is pushing forward or leaning forward into how we can integrate all our capability as HPE from compute, storage, network, not only just to provide the AI factory experience, is also to provide a a simple way to manage and operate all these aspects for our clients.
That is
So
cutting edge
that's
capability.
amazing. Exactly.
Of course.
And a differentiator that differentiates HPE than anyone else. And also, what we do also in agility, we integrate our AMBS, Advanced Managed Services team. So where we have specialized team that can help you from building the data center all the way furnishing it with the latest AI capability and solutions. But also we go to the customer verticals where we help them to build solutions for their own, let's say, businesses.
Yeah.
So if you're in a government sector or you're in a hospital environment or you're in healthcare,
Then
education,
it can be customized.
manufacturing, we can customize by that vertical to give them the optimum experience running all that. And the good thing around all this, it can be all wrapped up under the Green Lake umbrella. So customer can get whatever they want, consume, they pay as they consume without the need of having that capex or capital investment in advance.
Okay.
So we grow and agile our capability in a comfortable way where customers can see the current resources and foreseeing the future resources depends on their, let's say, ship set. So they can change and shift this based on what they see from business perspective and what's matter for them on the business and for their customers.
It's a very agile solution.
It is.
Yeah.
It is. Yes.
Well, it was fantastic, Saleh, to have you here with us today at Tech
thank
Talk.
you so much.
And thank you so much for the collaborative and partnering with Logicom for all these years.
It's our pleasure, of course. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sam.